2-minute tips. I'm Dr. Ken Tombley. Today's tip, catching your child's eye when you give direction, correction, or blessing. Now, you all know this scene. You're giving direction or correction to your child and they're staring down at their feet. Or if they're a teenager, maybe they're rolling their eyes. They're looking above and beyond you. Either way, they're not looking at you. They've drifted into their own world of either shame or fear, disgust, or rejection. They're using their eyes as a way of blocking out the reality of the world, the reality of you as their parent, the reality of their actions, and even the reality of themselves. It is a bad place for them and a very hard place for you. You need to pause and call their gaze to attention. Most often, it's right into your own eyes. Here's how it works. For younger children, it's, Jamie, let me have your eyes, please. Dad needs to look into your eyes and he needs you to look into his eyes. For teenagers, it's something like this. Jamie, we need to look directly at each other during this conversation. Jamie, please look up at me. Jamie, we can get this finished when I have the attention of your eyes. Getting the attention of their eyes is more important than almost anything you have to say. In fact, you may be wasting your breath if you don't have the attention of their eyes. Here's the why. When eyes meet, an emotional and neurological connection is made. You both are more present. You've probably heard the phrase, the eyes are the window of the soul. In fact, Jesus is recorded in the New Testament as saying, the eye is the lamp of the body. If your eyes are healthy, your whole body will be full of light. But if your eyes are unhealthy, your whole body will be full of darkness. You are your child's God-appointed guide. When you speak into your child's eye, you speak into their whole body, their whole sense of self. There's so much I could say about this when it comes to personality development and trauma recovery, but we're going to save that for a longer episode. When you have the eyes of your child, they're more humble and they're more open. This is the state of mind you want to speak any direction you give, any correction they need, and any blessing that you will gift them with that will empower them for their next move. So, take a pause, adjust your tone, catch your child's eyes. Give it a try, and let me know how it's working.